Today we're going to take a look at the practical, reasonably priced OBDII scanner from a very trusted name in diagnostic tools, Topdon. The Artilink 400 scan tool reads trouble codes, clears trouble codes, displays live data, vehicle sensor values in real time, displays graphic data streams or visual graphs of the sensor data, runs AM readiness tests, which is inspection and maintenance tests. It's a one-button operation, a smog test report card, displays freeze frame data, sensor data at the time of the fault, gives O2 sensor test results, onboard monitor test results, runs evap system tests, that basically tests the emissions related components, shows vehicle information such as VIN, CIN, and CVN, and last has user-friendly software, a large screen, LED light on the plug to see under the dash, free updates, and a DTC lookup. Again, using the LED light, we can find the plug under the dash near the steering wheel. If you can use a cell phone, you can easily navigate the menu on this scanner. We have 6 things on the main screen: OBDII, AM readiness, review, lookup, help, and setup. We'll go to OBDII and hit OK. And we'll hit OK again. And it says read codes, erase codes, AM readiness, data stream, your live data, freeze frame, O2 sensor test, onboard monitoring, evap system, and vehicle information. We'll go back. Are you sure you want to exit the diagnostic function? Yes. We'll go to IM inspection maintenance. This is a report card of your emission system. We'll just press OK. And here's your report card. Some things are applicable, some things are not. We'll go back. Go to review. This probably reviews all of the things that you did. And go back. Go down. Look up. So this defines your codes. And you would put in your codes right here. Then press OK and look up the definition of any code that you got. We'll go back, help, and setup, probably language and those types of things. And we'll go up, over, and we'll just mess around here with OBDII. And we'll read codes. And it says the vehicle has no fault codes. We'll go back, erase codes, no fault codes, so we don't have to erase anything. Inspection and maintenance, we'll get our report card for emissions in case we have to get a smog test. After inspection and maintenance, we can check out the live data stream. You have to start the engine for this, and I'm just going to leave it running for a little bit because the door is closed. We'll press OK. View all items. And here's your list of live data. These are all your sensors in real time. And we'll go back. Now we can check out freeze frame. If you had a code, this would tell what the engine sensors look like at the time that the code was set. After freeze frame information, you have O2 sensor tests, onboard monitoring, evap system, and vehicle information. We'll check onboard monitoring. And this is what your vehicle monitors. This vehicle specifically monitors the catalyst, VVT, evap, purge, sensor heater, misfire 1, 2, 3, and 4. We'll go back, and this will check any leaks in the evaporative emission system. Let's see what we have here. Evaporative emission system leak test not supported. So we'll go back and then vehicle information. And then we'll go back. Are you sure you want to exit diagnostic function? We'll say yes to that, and we're back at the main menu. Once back at the main menu, again you can choose from these other items, and as you can see there's only 6. It's very easy to use, user-friendly, and easy to navigate. The Topdon Artilink 400 scan tool is inexpensive, easy to use, and made of quality materials by a trusted name brand. I hope you enjoyed this brief video on a go-to scan tool that will quickly become one of your favorite diagnostic tools. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.